Mate, let the scoreboard fucking do the talking, all right?
Wow.
It's cold here. What the hell's going on? It's cold. I swear it was warmer in Sydney. Oh well, we made it, Dallas, boys. Alrighty, so the big girl freaking made it, and how bloody good does she look? Giving her a quick wipe down with some auto glim. And now one thing that's been playing on my mind for a little while that I really wanted to get done was one of these lines from the Clearview. Since when we put the Clearview on, it was kind of touching, or once, it lightly grazed the headers. And all it did was take like the cloth braid off kind of thing. But it looks like that over time it's now weakened that and it's starting to seep and drip. So a bit of preventative maintenance so that we don't dump all that oil on the ground and go rods out. Just making up a new hose right now. So trying to stay out of the sun a little bit. So this is the old one just here. Yeah, you can see there, and it's obviously starting to weep through that. So you can see that it was soaking the heat sleeve on the inside. And it was just starting to drip a bit, so preventative maintenance, chucking a new line. Head scrutiny.
Not straight.
It's not straight, mate.
It's cooking, mate.
I think the auto gleam's not straight.
You got to redo it now, eh?
She'll be fine. Alrighty, so I've finished with replacing that line for the Clearview. Got it routed, you can't see it, but I got it routed so it's further away from the headers now, so it should last a little longer. But I think Carl's going to now drive over and he's going to butcher up his exhaust, try and do some picnikmedia specials for pushing the smoke out of the way. Although there's a nice bit of wind at the moment, so that sticks around. Might go have a look at the pad soon, get the car ready for skids, change the wheels over, and then chill for a whole bunch of hours because we got a long time to wait. Now, if you want to see Kyle absolutely mangle and fuck up his exhaust, you'll have to watch the official Summernats content.
The Bunnings special.
The Bunnings special.
Oh, brand, mate.
You got to get me getting an out and drop it.
Oh,
Oh, I got the same grinder as that. 20 bucks.
This is the cheap one, mate.
We'll roll the camera, mate. Let's go.
Hollywood!
Is that close?
Get your monster out. Giddy. I'm the only one here that hasn't bloody got a set. Is that what it takes to be a burnout master?
Remember, this is mine, okay? So if you need to borrow it, just make sure you bring it back.
Gonna steal your shot. Yeah. That sounds sick, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got more of a full sound. It's
Got like a deep
All right.
they're hitting each other.
Jack the wagon up.
Yeah. Well, let's do it.
Get the grinder.
The tools.
Nah, the only thing with mine is it's gonna, like, I've got to have dumps on mine pointing down.
Excuses, bro.
Mate, let the scoreboard fucking do the talking, all right?
Wow. I'll tell you what, Mitchie. Tell you what. If you beat me, and I don't want to beat you if you have a mechanical failure, I'm happy to say if we both
By points.
If we both run our race, and
Yeah.
no one has an issue, and you beat me, these limited edition first pit vibes I've ever had in my life are yours, and you can take them home with you and do what you want.
Mate, I will wear them with glory.
All right, but you got to beat me.
Yeah, all right,
You know?
all right, deal,
All right?
deal. You're on.
But now, if I beat you,
What?
you got to wash my car with auto glim products.
All right, that's it. I'll do that. I'll do that in a bikini.
No, I can say that. I'll pass on filming that.
So here I am over here, changing my own wheels and tyres, obviously because I'm the only person over here, but bloody Kyle, look at that. He gets Ryan, it was nice enough to bring his car over here. Of course, he's the one that, where's Kyle? Kyle's not here to be seen. Got everyone else working on his car. Where are you, Kyle? Look at that, my jack under there. I've had to borrow someone else's jack. Here's my drip pan. So freaking empty his oil. Get it together, mate. Come on, get it together. I think he's buckling under the pressure, hey? Oh, we're driver's briefing now with the man, the myth, the legend. Those sunnies are mine, brother. Get used to him now, get used to him now. Alright, so hopefully I don't get done for copyright because of the music playing. The car was just about to go out. I put the 360 camera on the back, but I didn't hit record on the way out, so I had to message Kyle to hit record. So hopefully that gets done in time, so when he comes out for his skid, it's got a 360 camera, but if not, I'll film it from here anyways. God, I look so sunburned already.
Absolutely send it.
Right,
do you guys
Kyle
on the hill
goes
want to
like
see Luxifer send it?
Send it!
Here we go.
Visibility was shit. That has just made me so scared. So that doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence. The sun hasn't gone down yet, and the smoke was not moving. And I couldn't see Kyle. I'm gonna go ask him now, see if he could see anything, but that looks a little sketch. Definitely looks like it is very hard to see where the hell you're going. So I couldn't see you at all. Could you see anything?
Fuck no.
Dude, that only terrified me. Because as soon as you tipped in, I was like, oh, bro, I can't see a thing. Surely you can't. Like, that doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence.
I was looking at him and going, you know where to go?
Oh.
And he was like, It was sick.
Man.
There's no wind, man, there's no wind out there. I
Zero.
could see
Zero.
little bits of the wall. I was like, okay, so there's a wall there, but I couldn't see the end walls.
Yeah.
So it was braille, man.
Alrighty, so road class has managed to come forward a bit out of nowhere. So we're all lined up, ready to go out. You ready to send it, Jake? Right, and tonight we are blessed with the appearances of Mr. Autoglim himself. David's come all the way to Red Centre, so have to get him in the car because he's the one that took us up. He's done all this work with Autoglim for us to get here. Without Autoglim, we wouldn't be here to compete. So massive thanks to David. Yeah. Have you ever been in anything like this?
No.
Good, good. So, yeah. Alright. We're only one car away. The nerves are starting to kick in. Woo!
one coming up is a big crowd favourite, Michael Hinchy, Clickbait.
Oh my god.
Yep, that's going to undo that one for Clickbait. It was going so well, right up until it all burst into flames. Our fire crew on the scene for Michael Hinchy. And it started front and rear at the same time.
Yeah.
That's when you know you've really eaten the spicy food for dinner. Out the front and the back.
Oh, was it there? Oh yeah, there was oil in the meat wrap.
What's the fluid? Where'd that come? Oh, that's fire extinguisher.
Yeah, it's just fire extinguisher fluid. Oh, that was the most lost I've ever been. I could not see a thing.
I was looking for a wall. I saw a wall, but I think you saw that one.
Yeah, I saw that. Like, I saw it, and I was like, "Oh, yeah, that's gonna tickle." Let's see how Pete goes. This is a smoke machine, so it'll be interesting to see if he gets lost.
Here we go. Peter Carusa.
Alright, that's day one done. Finals list has already been announced. We didn't make it. It was a top skid, but we touched the wall. We definitely touched the wall. We got a good one on the rib, on the tailgate here. So, but other than that, the skid was absolutely freaking mint. But other than that, I had a ball on the freaking pad. Never been lost so much in my life, but I'm completely out of energy. So we're gonna go back to the hotel and sleep. We'll see you tomorrow. Catch you later. Peace.
Been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm back.